The plan is for this unprecedented operation to be over by Tuesday evening. The last countries that are going to get on the planes are Australia and New Zealand. They're going to share a plane home. It looks like they're going to be the last people repatriated. 4 Australians, 2 New Zealands. They will have to wait, but hopefully by tomorrow evening everybody will be back in the country of their origin, apart from the small crew, as I mentioned, and this ordeal will be over for them. For now, at least, at sea at least, they will have to quarantine when they get back. The WHO is recommending 6 weeks of quarantine, 42 days.